Mastering appealing. Boost your IELTS score. Imagine walking into a bakery and being instantly drawn to a display of colorful, freshly baked cupcakes. That irresistible quality that makes you want to buy one is exactly what we mean when we use the word appealing. Today, we're going to explore this versatile and useful word that can help boost your IELTS score to that coveted 6.5 band or higher. Word type. Appealing is primarily used as an adjective, describing something that is attractive or interesting. Meaning, when we say something is appealing, we mean it's attractive, pleasing, or interesting. It often describes things that draw people in or create a positive response. Word history. The word appealing comes from the verb appeal, which originally meant to call upon someone for help or support. Over time, it evolved to describe things that call out to us in a positive way, catching our attention or interest. Antonyms. To better understand appealing, let's look at its opposites. Some antonyms include unappealing, repulsive, unattractive, and off-putting. Synonyms. Now for words with similar meanings. Synonyms for appealing include attractive, alluring, engaging, charming, and enticing. Examples used in sentences. Let's see how we can use appealing in different contexts. The job offer was very appealing, with a good salary and excellent benefits. The hotel's appealing decor and friendly staff made our stay memorable. Despite the rainy weather, the idea of a quiet day at home reading books was quite appealing. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing appealing with the verb form appeal. Remember, when using it as an adjective, we don't say the music is appeal, but rather the music is appealing. Another error is using it with the wrong preposition. We say something is appealing to someone, not appealing for someone. To wrap up, the word appealing is a powerful addition to your IELTS vocabulary. It allows you to express attraction or interest in a sophisticated way. Whether you're describing a tempting dessert, an exciting job opportunity, or a captivating book, appealing can help you convey your thoughts more effectively. Practice using this word in your speaking and writing tasks, and you'll find it becomes a natural part of your English expression, helping you on your way to that 6.5 band score and beyond.